Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanifah Hulida Rizkyani from class 2 the elementary school teacher education at UPI Tasikmalaya campus. In this video, I will share my experience learning English skill in the first semester. Okay, first of all, I will say that my understanding of English very poor. Even in the first meeting of learning English skill which was done online, I felt confused because my lecturer almost always spoke in English. However, as time went on, I began to notice improvement in my comprehension and speaking skill. I felt this improvement when I completed the first and last assessment in this course. Throughout the semester, I learned a lot. In the first session, I learned to speak using the Poker application. Then I had dialogue with friends, wrote essay, studied for the PTSOL test, and wrote a story in English. During this English course, I experienced some of the most challenging moments. The first was when I took the PTSOL test. I felt my abilities were still very lacking, but I was determined and challenged myself to get a score of 500, although in the end I didn't reach it. The second most challenging moment was when working on the assessment to create a video story because I felt confident enough to move forward and wasn't very good at editing. However, this was a meaningful learning experience that encouraged me to be more diligent in practicing and speaking English. Apart from the most challenging and interesting moments, there were also moments that most proved my effort. I was proud of myself because I was able to complete the assessment on time. Although I cannot be considered perfect compared to others, I feel there is always room for improvement. I'm proud of having completed the assessment, especially the one that can be very difficult for me, such as making a storytelling video, but I managed to complete it well. I learned a lot in this English skill course, starting from reading, such as learning various reading techniques to find the main idea of a text, then writing, such as writing essays, descriptive text, and narrative text, then listening, such as listening comprehension, and also learning to speak in English, such as introduction, storytelling, and presentation. Although my English skill have improved, I realized that I still have some problems such as limited vocabulary, lack of lines in pronunciation, and difficulty constructing sentence, which hinder me from understanding what others are saying and what I want to convey. In the future, I want to study and practice more diligently to become proficient in speaking English, because this skill is very important for my current studies and future career. Furthermore, regarding the grade I deserve for this course, I think considering my consistent attendance in class, my effort to complete assessment to the best of my ability, and my improvement in English skills, I believe I deserve an A- or an A. In my opinion, this grade is very appropriate for the performance and effort I have put in during this course. Friends, in this course, besides learning language skill, I also learned about self-confidence, perseverance, the process, and how to utilize the digital tools as a learning medium. Thank you for a very meaningful learning experience this semester. See you again. Bye.